And we have just arrived in Hilo. It is a nice, cloudy, sprinkly Hilo morning. You know, this is the wet side of the island, so when coming to the big island, this is what you can expect in Hilo, and we're getting it right now. And here is the harbor that we came in. We're tied up here in Hilo, Hawaii. Little harbor boat that came in with us. And it's a nice rainy morning, but it'll get nicer later today. We are in Hilo, Hawaii on the Disney Wonder. And you can see the Mickey pool's not too busy right now. We got a nice little rain coming down here in Hilo, Hawaii. But we have Hawaiian music, so all is well.
Quite a line for me. I'm sorry. Okay. Go. Now we can run a view.
Well, it is now 3 in the afternoon. We have been here for a while, and as you see, it has stayed high clouds. We have a princess ship that showed up. And there's the deck of the Disney Wonder, and we can see a local barge coming in with supplies for the big island here. And it doesn't look like we'll see the large volcanoes on this trip, but at least the rain stopped enough for us to enjoy being out on the decks.